Hi, attorneys, lawyers, and law firm business development people. You want to grow your legal practice. You want to grow your law firm. That's great. That's exciting. That's wonderful. To get there, you're going to have to start with a very motivational and fundamental question of what is your why? Why do you want to do this? You've really got to identify this early on. Make more money, have more clients, make partner, grow the size of your firm. What is it that you're trying to do when you say, I want to grow my law firm? If you understand that, you'll be able to motivate yourself because frankly, it is internal. I know from being a chief marketing officer and a director of business development in law firms and from growing my own practices that understanding this and understanding that it comes from within as opposed to from without, somebody telling that you must do something, will really help you in growing your legal practice. My new book is out, and I understand that they didn't teach you this in law school. How to grow a thriving legal business is 90 plus pages. It's on Amazon. The link is below. 1995 for the paperback version. Um, really strategic, intentional, practical advice on how to grow your law firm. Great reviews. It will chunk things down into very doable actions, small steps that will help you grow your firm. But as I said at the beginning, let's first figure out together what is your why? What is going to motivate you to do this? And as you see there, being specific, what I like to do and what I see or set out in that book is looking at a 12-month timeline. Sure, you have a long-term goal. In 5 years, I want to double the size of my law firm, or I want to make $1 million, or whatever it happens to be. To get there, though, those long-term targets are kind of hard to create an action plan around. So we're going to look at 12-month chunks of time. We're going to take that why, you're going to take your motivation, and you're going to be very specific. In the next 12 months, I'm going to increase revenues from this client by 20%. I'm going to add two new real estate clients. I'm going to add two attorneys. Whatever it is that gets you towards that larger goal, we're going to break that down into 12-month chunks. And you're going to understand, and the reason I'm doing this is because I want to make more money, or I want to grow my law firm, or I want to open a second practice. So knowing that early, and it's something we cover early, is really helpful for you. Like I said, any of these can be great motivations. The number one goal that I hear from attorneys is make more money. And hey, I'm fine with that, right? You work hard, you've spent money on and time on undergrad, law school, the bar, your practice. If that's your goal, if that's your motivation, fine. In fact, it's a really good, visceral, emotional motivation for you to have. Understand when you go through the book and the actions that are in there, that business development is a set of small, consistent, regular actions. So when you experience small wins, when you set up a 12-month timeline and you really build your actions within that 12 months, you'll start to experience small wins. You'll procrastinate less, you'll experience greater success, you'll have more interest, and this self perpetuating wheel of success really will be apparent to you, to your partners, to your compensation committee, to your spouse, whomever is kind of keeping an eye on you or that you kind of use as a sounding board is going to see that small, regular, consistent actions from you are what drive you forward. So this book is out and it covers a whole range of areas that are geared specifically from a lawyer to lawyers on how to grow a legal practice, how to grow your law firm. It's on Amazon, as I said down below, 1995. What a great investment for yourself because frankly, you should make thousands more by implementing the strategies and the actions that are laid out in my book. If you want a taste of what is contained in there, on my website, I have a free ebook. It's 35 pages, contains a lot of the information that's in the larger book. You see down below the link to that ebook. Go online and get that if you want to get a taste of what it's like. But frankly, for 1995, just buy the larger book and you're good to go. Let me know if you have any questions. Like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let's connect on LinkedIn, get that free ebook. But let me know how it's going, what questions you might have. Successes, challenges, I'm happy to respond, happy to help. Thanks so much.